Let's see how to fix iPad unavailable without computer. In the first step, open Settings, then go to Face ID and Passcode, then tap on Disable Passcode. In the next step, open Settings. Later, go to Screen Time. After that, tap on Modify Screen Time Passcode. In the next step, open Settings. Next, go to Apple ID, then select iCloud. In the next step, open Settings. Next, go to General. Now, select Transfer or Reset iPad. In the next step, open Settings. Next, go to Accessibility. Next, select Guided Access. You are good to go.